So perfect. Welcome to the booth of PMT again. And yeah, we have like 3 different products I want to show you today. It's first of all our Evolution system, flat roof system for roofs up to 5 degrees of inclination. Afterwards, we step over to the carport system, and at the end, we go to the backside, and there is like our flat direct system. It's a system for pitched roofs without roof penetration up to an inclination of 30 degrees. Yeah, first of all, let's talk a bit about the Evolution system. Evolution, we have it available in 10 and 15 degrees of inclination for the system. You can just use it in south orientation or the east-west system. Yeah, the top seller system is of course the east-west one. It's very innovative and very easy to mount. You just have like a click system on it. When we just get a bit closer to it, I can also like show it a bit to you. You can just click all the parts together. Yeah, like the ground mount profile, the base, and the connector. Just click all together. You need just one tool to fix the clamp, and you see it here better on this side. There's like the ballast brace. Therefore, you can use the same tool. What you see here over the booth, all the green parts are additional parts. So that means, for example, this green part here is a ridge roof connector. If you have an inclination with more than 3 degrees, just connect one to the other side. We have cable side cover. You just need them if you are already on top of the load for the roof and you just want to get down a bit, then you can use them. For the beam transmitter, we also have like a little mounting plate. So our idea is like to deliver all what's regarding the system, what you need on the roof, we just can deliver it. What I also want to show to you is like our fall protection. And for this, just let us step by on the other side and just have a look at it. You see now the fall protection. It's you need minimum 600 kilogram of ballast to install it onto the system. It's a very individual product, so that means you normally give us a project and explain us where you want to have the fall protection, and afterwards we are going to plan it. So first step is like planning the whole PV plant, and if the layout for the PV plant is fixed, then afterwards we are going to start to plan the fall protection. Some USPs of the product here is like we are the only company which gave the customer 10 years of insurance coverage. We have the very fast click technology, what we see already before, and yeah, it's like maybe you will know something about prices. Important for you, or?
Yes, it is. Prices is always important.
So we start
as well the quality.
Yeah, the system is totally made in Germany, so we have very high quality standards here. The prices are between for East-West system they start around €15 per module, and normally they goes up till 20 or something, depends of course of the layout of the system. The south orientated is a bit different. There you start around 25. Yeah. Okay. Do you still have any questions regarding the Evolution system?
I see DEKRA geprüft is not DEKRA only for cars. No, really. I read so many things about cars and DEKRA. DECRA is also for this.
DECRA is just an institute where you can go and get technical approvals for nearly everything. So they also do like they also prove the fall protection and give you a certificate for it. Yeah.
That's good.
It's all, but they do it also. They do a lot for cars, of course. That's right. Also in Germany. Okay, so let's get a step further and go up to the carport system. That's our carport system here, the biggest one. Maybe you already saw it last year. Last year we have like we covered the whole booth with one carport system. Here what you see is like it's special made for the show. It's in black and green. Normally there's a standard. You get it in normal color or however you want. Carport is a very individual product, so that means if you have a certain surface with 50, 100, 200, 300 or even 245 meters, we provide you exactly carport which fits on that surface. The carports are available like in two different versions. There's a single one and the double one. Single means you can just park with one row of cars under it, and the double one means like you have like two rows of cars. It's a large scale product. That means we start project sizes around 100 parking spaces. Yeah, because there are some costs, for example, for the statics, for the ground survey, which you have always, and also if you do just little projects, the costs are still there. So it's for the calculation, it's even better. You have a bit bigger projects. Okay. Any questions regarding carport systems? Maybe price? It's cool. This year is really cool because nobody wants to know any prices. It's so. Carport starts around 100 euro per module, the whole structure. Okay, so.
What are the most customers for these carports? Is it factories or shopping center, or where you sell that?
Yeah, it depends a bit. We have like mostly in Germany is customers which the roof is already covered with PV plant, and they still need a lot of power there, and they just think about new ideas to get more and more power for the self-consumption, and that's one big issue. And also, yeah, shopping malls, airports, everywhere where you have like a lot of cars, or even not only cars. You can also like for farming. Some guys want to put cows or something under it. So it's called carport, but you can use it for even more things. Yeah. Okay, let's step by the flat direct. A flat direct is a system for pitched roofs, but here's no penetration required. You just on a saddle roof, you just can put it easily like a saddle on it. What you have to do is like connect one to the other side, so it's holding each other, and then of course what we need is ballast for it against the wind, and install it on roofs which are covered with bitumen or foil. There are nearly no competitors on the market, so it's very easy to install. You just need very less of tools to install it, and there are some other possibilities if you don't have a saddle roof, just for example a shed roof. There you can also do the connection right to the wall of the building, or even with one of these mounting plates. This mounting plate is the best solution if you have like a saddle roof or something, or some roofs where are a skylight, a window on top, and you can't connect one to the other side. Just install that metal plate. There are some screws. You just put the screws through the isolation into the trapezoidal roof, and afterwards you cover it with foil or bitumen, depending of what kind of surface the roof has. Yeah, exactly. Prices here are starting around 95 euro per kilowatt peak. That means around 25 euro per module, something like that. Yeah. Good. Questions regarding that system? Projects you want to order directly? We also take credit cards.
Yes, thank you very much for the clear introduction. But would you mention something about electrical grounding, the importance and some technical ways? How do you work with that?
Yeah, grounding for that system, for the Evolution, it's very easy. There's a little metal plate you can put into the base and the tower, and then when you fix the clamp, you get connection. Here the easiest way to do it is just remove that clamp and take a clamp with a little dorn, and then when you fix the clamp, it's done. Thank you very much for visiting us. Enjoy the trade show.